Cement is one of the most important materials in modern civilization. From towering skyscrapers to roads, bridges, and homes, cement forms the foundation of our world. But how exactly is cement made? This is the complete journey of cement manufacturing, from raw stone in the earth to the finished product used in construction. The cement manufacturing process begins at the limestone quarry. Here, massive open-pit mines are used to extract limestone, the primary raw material for cement. Heavy excavators dig into the rocky terrain, breaking and collecting limestone. Large dump trucks transport this material across rough ground, carrying it toward the cement plant. Along with limestone, other materials such as clay, shale, sand, or iron ore may also be collected to achieve the correct chemical composition. Once extracted, the raw materials are transported to the cement plant. This is done using dump trucks, conveyor belts, or rail systems. As the material arrives, it is unloaded and prepared for crushing, the first major mechanical step in cement production. Large limestone rocks cannot be processed directly. They must first be reduced in size. In the primary crusher, huge chunks of limestone are broken into smaller pieces using jaw crushers or hammer crushers. Dust rises as powerful machines crush stone into manageable fragments. After primary crushing, the material passes through secondary crushers and vibrating screens. This ensures that the stone reaches the required size. Oversized material is sent back for further crushing, while properly sized material moves forward in the process. To maintain consistent cement quality, raw materials are carefully blended. Crushed limestone and other materials are stacked in layers using stacker reclaimer machines. This pre-blending ensures uniform chemical composition before grinding begins. The blended raw materials are then ground into a fine powder known as raw meal. Inside massive raw mills, often vertical roller mills or ball mills, rollers crush the material under immense pressure. The result is a fine, dry powder that is ready for heating. The raw meal is stored in large silos where it is mixed using compressed air. This homogenization process ensures consistent quality throughout the entire batch. Uniform raw meal is essential for stable kiln operation and high-quality cement. The raw meal is now sent to the preheater tower. This tall structure uses hot exhaust gases from the kiln to heat the raw meal before it enters the kiln. As the material moves downward through multiple cyclones, it is gradually heated to extremely high temperatures, improving energy efficiency. During calcination, the raw material undergoes a crucial chemical reaction. At temperatures around 800 degrees Celsius, limestone releases carbon dioxide. This process transforms calcium carbonate into calcium oxide, a key step in cement formation. Next, the material enters the heart of the cement plant, the rotary kiln. Inside this long, rotating furnace, temperatures rise to nearly 1450 degrees Celsius. Here, the raw material melts and reacts to form small, hard nodules called clinker. The glowing red-hot clinker slowly moves through the kiln toward the exit. As clinker leaves the kiln, it must be cooled rapidly. Clinker coolers use powerful airflows to reduce the temperature. This rapid cooling stabilizes the clinker and allows heat to be reused in the process. Once cooled, the clinker is transported to large storage silos or domes. Here, it waits before the final grinding stage. At this point, the basic cement material has been formed, but it is not yet finished. Clinker is now mixed with a small amount of gypsum. This mixture is ground into a very fine powder inside cement mills. Gypsum controls the setting time of cement, making it usable in construction. The result of this grinding process is the cement powder we recognize. Finished cement is stored in airtight silos. These silos protect the cement from moisture and contamination. From here, cement is ready for packing or bulk transportation. In the final stage, cement is either packed into bags, typically 50 kilograms each, or loaded directly into bulk tanker trucks. Automated machines fill, seal, and stack cement bags efficiently. Loaded trucks then transport the cement to construction sites, ready to be used in building the world around us. From limestone buried deep in the earth to the cement that shapes our cities, this complex process combines heavy machinery, chemistry, and engineering. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure strength, durability, and quality. This is how cement is made, the backbone of modern infrastructure.